Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fix Microsoft Teams webcam not working. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course open your Teams, and once you're here, you will click this three dots icon right here, and then what you will do is go to settings, and then you will go ahead and click the devices section, which is right here, and now you will just have to scroll down a little until you see video. So what you will have to do is ensure that your camera is selected correctly or is enabled. And after enabling that, you will just have to close your other apps like that is using the camera like Zoom, Skype, or whatsoever. And you could also check your Windows camera and go to privacy settings and allow Teams to access the camera. And you could also test the camera in make a test call, make a test call if it is available for you. And yeah, you could also update the themes to the latest version if the issue persists. And that's it. Your webcam should now work properly in Teams. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.